Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to claim the foreign tax credit for investments on Turbotax in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so you know what, let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to determine your eligibility. So go ahead and determine if you're eligible for foreign tax credits for investments. You can check that out online. Just figure out if you're eligible for this. And if you are, go ahead and collect your foreign tax documents, including, your Form 1116. Go ahead and get that ready. And if you've gotten it ready, just go ahead and sign into your Turbotax account using your email address and your password on the Turbotax website. And once you're signed into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to claim the credit for. Next, you're going to choose credits, and then just select foreign tax credits as your credit type. Next step is going to be to enter your credit information, including your foreign tax credit amounts. Next, you're going to claim the credit based on your eligibility and credits information. Go ahead and claim the credits. And the final step is going to be to review and submit. First of all, review your credit claim just to make sure that everything, the report is accurate. And if it is, submit it to the IRS and they're going to take care of the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the foreign tax credit for investments on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.